This video is about gate costs in the Philippines. What you're looking at here is the latest gate that I'm putting on in my property, which is now leading to Little England of Old B, where he's gonna build his koi carp pond and his orchids. His little area here in our place. So I don't know if I'm allowed to go in there once all the railings as well will be done, but you know, I want to share with you how much it costs the gates that I'm putting in here in my place and to give you an idea of the costing. And as you can see, the original design was this one. And the second one that I put the same design is this one. So you've seen a video when they were installing this one, and this is quite a massive gate. It's very big. And so this one now is the third one of the same design. Now, the one I talk about is how does the pricing of the gate cost here. Usually, they are made to the size of your openings. And so, the prices also matters in the size of your openings, and prices also matters on the design that you want, because some people like some gold trimmings or panels, metal panels. So, the one I'm sharing with you right now is about the cost of mine. So here, let's start with my first one. This gate originally was owned by my friend that unfortunately lost their house because they haven't paid the mortgage. Although I didn't realize that they have a lot of vehicles and they haven't paid the mortgage, so they lost their house after a few years. So I said the house and lot is in this subdivision is only the unit. What you put in there outside it's not supposed to be considered part of the developer's repossession of your house. So I got his gate. This is the original one. But although this is not the same design, it's more looser than this. When I bought this for like 30 grand, but I had added additional round bars in between because the gap originally was so wide. It's as the distance of this heart here in the middle is the same distance as on the bottom. So it's quite very sparse as far as I'm concerned. So I added additional round bars. But this one, I bought this for like 30,000. That's the price I bought this one. And then I added additional metal, and also I added additional panels here, like what you can see there. And we have that one as entrance for a man to go in and out, but this is just the original one. And then two panels on this side with one gate there, and additional two panels on the other side. So all in all, it costs Old B, all these four panels and the big gates on the middle, it cost Old B 150,000. That was about 10 years ago. And then this one here, the mirror of the same design but a big gate. That's what I've been calling as the Jurassic Gate. We tried to copy the same design concept, but it's become bigger. So there's additional supports that's added. So you can see the the horizontal bars across, because it's quite a big gate. And then for additional support, and all this, and including those two bars that you see outside where I'm gonna put the chain on, made and installed for 60,000 pesos. Now, going to this little one that you're looking at here being installed now, although it's smaller than everything else with this design, made and installed, this is 25,000 pesos. So right now I am trying to have a price on the railings of Old B there, and a small gate for the where the toilet is. So this is how the gate making here in the Philippines, and I'm sharing with you my own costs. But like I said, it depends on your design, it depends on your size, and it depends on what kind of materials you want to use. Because for me, I always use the thicker metals. You know, you got a choices of 3/16 and all that. No, I always wanted the thicker schedule metals for my gates. So there you are. You have now have an idea of how much is a gate that cost me here in the Philippines.